Philips. Philips HL7720, which is superior, powerful, reliable machine with fine grinding and perfect mixing. Key features: powerful 750-watt motor for tough processing, quality plates for fine grinding, advanced ventilation system that enhances the life of the motor by keeping it cool, and the click jar lock assembly, which is a simple 3-step process which has been designed to ensure maximum safety for the consumers. Step 1. Fit the jar on the base unit. Step 2. Rotate clockwise. Step 3. The appliance is ready to use when you hear a click sound. The jar can be easily disassembled from the base unit by holding the base unit and jar collar simultaneously and turning the handle in the anti-clockwise direction. The HL7720 also has a unique open coupler design technology that helps in easy cleaning and maintenance of the mixer grinder. The HL7720 offers a 1.5-liter wet jar with transparent dome with handle for wet grinding, liquidizing, blending and pureeing. A 1.0-liter dry jar with PP lid and handle for dry grinding ingredients like Bengal gram and rice flour. 0.4-liter chutney jar with PP lid for everyday grinding of chutneys and pastes like mint coriander chutney. Innovation that matters to you. Philips.